Hey, welcome back. It's the weekend. It's time to make some wings. We're going to make a different kind of wings. Come on, let's get started. All right, we got the big slow cooker out. You know what that means? We're going to make a bunch of wings. We're going to make a truckload of wings. We're going to make so many wings that we can't finish them all in one sitting. Maybe we can. I don't know. Anyway, that's besides the point. What are we doing? Well, the last time we made wings in a slow cooker, they were they were nice and hot and delicious and tasty and spicy. This time we're going to go a little different. Slow cooker teriyaki chicken wings. That's right. We're going to do a little teriyaki sauce. All right, now, so you know what? Let's break it all down. All right, slow cooker chicken teriyaki wings. What are we going to need aside from the slow cooker? Well, we're going to need about 3 pounds of chicken wings, a half a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of raw honey, 4 cloves of garlic minced, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 cup of, get ready for it, pineapple juice. That's right, so 1/4 cup of that, and 3/4 cup of soy sauce, 1/3 cup of olive oil, 1 teaspoon ground ginger, half a cup of white sugar, half a cup of white sugar, and 1/4 cup of sesame seeds. All right, let's go ahead and put it all together.
All right, get yourself a large bowl, and here we're adding the brown sugar. Now, this large bowl should be big enough to hold the 3 pounds. That's the recipe. Our bowl is going to hold 5 pounds of chicken because, again, here in Texas, bigger. 5 pounds, that's how they make them here. 5-pound styrofoam containers. All right, so we've got the brown sugar. Some of it's a little bit older, so it's why it's a little bit darker. There's our raw honey. We're going to go ahead and drop that in there as well. Get that all under control, all nice and good. And there's the raw honey, finishing that up and making sure. And that was a half a cup of raw honey. There we go. Alrighty, next. Yeah, we're not going to stir it just yet, so give it a second, folks. All right, now we're going to go ahead and throw in our 4 cloves of minced garlic. There it is. And it's, again, doesn't have to be very finely chopped minced. Just enough to get release all the juices, release all the flavors. No worries there. All right, there is our black pepper, onion powder. There it is. And our ground ginger, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger. Now we're going to add the 1/4 cup of pineapple juice. Now we're doing the 1/4 cup. There it is, and there we go. And our 3/4 cup soy sauce, that's a 1/4 cup container, so we're just going to do 3 of those. There we go, and we'll wrap that up here. All right, next we're going to start, give it a little stirry stir. So I'm using the little slicer that I use for the veggies and the garlic and stuff. There it is. All right, now we're going to go in with our sugar. All right, again, half a cup of white sugar. So that's what's going in there. We're going to go ahead and get a whisk it up, get it all nice and neat going in there. All right, mix it in. And again, don't forget, well, be careful with the bowl. In this case, the bowl that I'm using kind of had around the edge at the bottom, it kind of dipped down. So you got to be careful and make sure you get all of that out of there. All right, now we're going to start rolling in with the help of Mrs. This Vet Cooks. We're going to roll in our chicken wings. And you see, there they are, nice, and you see the sauce is really thick. It's getting thicker. And again, we're going to put this in the refrigerator. We're going to cap it, put it in the refrigerator overnight. So we did this around 4 in the afternoon, 4 to 5 in the afternoon. And there we go. So we prepped our wings. Get them in there. Now we'll drop in some more, get it all taken care of. Give it one last stirry stir. Now it does, and it does say it, and I do recommend that while it's sitting overnight, first thing in the morning, just give it a shake. That way you move the sauce all around. It gets settled, it doesn't settle onto just one particular set of pieces, that it's available there. All right, we're done here. Let's go.
All right, here it is, overnight in the refrigerator. Oh, look at that, look at that. And oh, geez, you can smell everything. All right, now we're going to go ahead and pour it on over here. We're just going to pour everything in. And in this case, it's a good thing we did have the liner, because, yikes, it's a little messy, a little sticky. Don't forget the sugar. There's honey. There's teriyaki sauce. There's soy sauce. There's, I don't know what else there is. Alrighty, we'll give it the little, oh look at that. I thought I whisked it. You saw the whisk, but oh well. That'll cook in. Get this all stirred up in here. It's all nice and even. Alright, it's plugged in, it's ready to go. We're going to set this on high for 4 hours. Select the timer, high, and in 30-minute increments. There we go. Alright, now we're just going to put the lid on this. Again, just making sure it's seated right. Don't lock it. Even though there is a vent hole, I still say do not lock it. Alright, remember, locking is for traveling. Alright, that's it. We'll see you in 4 hours. Alrighty, while that's cooking, that's making, I want to take a little moment here again, as always, to thank you for watching. Thank you for liking. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for subscribing. And if you haven't already done so, do the little bell thing down below and the subscribe button and all of that stuff down here. Again, do appreciate it. And don't forget to leave a comment. Let me know if you've actually made any of these recipes or you've done them in the past and how they worked out for you or whatever works. Also, veterans, you know, as always, don't forget, make the call, reach out. You need to talk to someone, reach out, make the call to the Veterans Crisis Line, 988, then press the number 1. Oh, what am I doing? Here's all the stuff right here. Yeah, 988, then dial, and then press the number 1 when the automated attendant answers. Or you can text 838-255. That's 838-255. Again, that's over here. And of course, you can always visit the veteranscrisisline.net website, and you can chat. So it's veterancrisisline.net/text and chat. So again, don't delay. Don't hesitate. Make the call. You know, you need to talk to someone. Again, like I said, and I've said it before, and I'll continue saying it. You know, someone who can help is there for you. They're there for you. They're there for a reason. They're there to help you. So again, do not hesitate to make the call. You do not have to be enrolled in VA healthcare or receiving any VA benefits. No, it's open. It's actually open to everyone. It's actually open to everyone. But for veterans, you press the number 1. All right, now make the call. So go ahead and do it. Don't hesitate. Alrighty. So let's get back to this. It's got a little bit of time left, but let's get back to it, and we'll see you in a bit. All right, 4 hours, 15 minutes have gone by. Let's take a look. Oh man, steamy. Alrighty, and one thing is noticeable. We did notice that early on. Some of the, see where we didn't stir it. Should have given a little stir about halfway through. I mean, the chicken's pretty much all but done. I mean, except for getting that. But you can see the ones that were in the brine at the bottom, and then the ones that kind of didn't get a lot of brine, or not brine, but the teriyaki sauce. Alrighty, so we're going to go ahead and turn it off, stop it, and we're going to prep to put it into the broiler for about 5 to 7 minutes to get it really crispy. Alrighty, here we go. Alright, there they are, all lined up in the pan, aluminum foil lined. We're going into the broiler. Top rack, you can see the reflection of the broiler. Use our Temptations glove here. Alright, there it is. Here they are. There they are, the wings. Hey, we made some tempura onion rings too. If you've never had tempura onion rings, give them a try. Make them yourself. Alright, let's give it a tasty taste. Again, these slow cooker teriyaki chicken wings. And we put them in the broiler for about 7 minutes. Here we go. It's sticky. It's moist. It's juicy. Thumbs up. It's very good, very tasty, very I know it sat overnight. A lot of the flavor didn't make it all the way into the chicken, but hey, what did make it in was good. Very good, very tasty. So again, slow cooker teriyaki chicken wings. They're very delicious. Give them a try. And again, just dump everything into the slow cooker. Oh, there it is. Dump everything into the slow cooker and then make it happen. All right, listen, I'm Dave Guerra. Thanks for watching. And this vet cooks.